Figma's FigJam has new updates that can boost your creativity and collaboration. Discover new ways to bring your team's templates, tools, and personalities into FigJam, so you can stay aligned from first idea to final delivery. Create templates from your FigJam files that anyone in your organization can use. Standardize how you plan, meet, and lead. Templatize your best practices and frameworks so your team consistently produces great outcomes. Streamline your workflow by bringing your tech stack and conversations into one place. Embed user insights from user testing, Great Question, Maze, and Mixpanel right in your files. Turn ideas captured on stickies into insights with the product board widget. Show who's doing what with stamps of your teammates' friendly faces. Mention teammates in your stickies to grab their attention, and add flourish with the quick emoji picker. These are just some of the ways Figma's FigJam updates can boost your creativity and collaboration.